Hi there, I'm Patricia from Toffee Fields, and while I'm working on new crochet tutorials for dolls, I decided to make something different today, and I wanted to show you some small stuff I got from shops for my dolls. I don't used to buy a lot of miniatures, ready-to-go miniatures, but this time I moved recently, and soon I will finally have a place to create my first ever diorama, so and mine Barb will have a real home soon. Also, I wanted to tell you a little bit about what's coming next, so let's get started. Well, starting with some small haul from Shein. I don't used to buy stuff from Shein, but this time I wanted to get stickers with cat memes for my daughter, so I got some tiny stuff. I didn't open it still. We'll see first these tiny books. I really want to make some books myself, but for now, okay. Here we go. I hope you can see them. I'm testing also my new tripod and new light, because as I moved, I don't have that one that my husband made for me. Okay, it has, you can open it. It has white pages inside. They are quite cute. I think when I have like a tiny bookshelf, I will just put them. They will look nice on the pictures as well. Okay, so here we go. And I think it's like about 10 different books, so yeah, they're nice. Here I have, okay, I didn't check what's the name of it. A disc player. Here we go. A gramophone. I have to check it. Let me know in the comments. Okay, so you will see that I got some random stuff that I just wanted to get. So that's any special theme. Okay, it's heavy. It's super heavy. It's not plastic. It's like from metal. Okay, it's super cute. Obviously you can't move these pieces, but here we have this part from the top, like a lid. Okay, you can put it here. And there's 3 different discs. So yeah, I definitely like it. You can just put it here. It doesn't enter perfectly to the hole, but yeah, it will look really cute in my tiny living room. So here we go. Now here I have a pair of tights. This is something that I would like to crochet also. Here we go. Let's take out sneakers from Barb, and we'll see how they look like. Okay, you know, I really like them. Okay, this is how they are. Obviously we have seams here, so no, they don't look very good. But here from the front, if you put them like this in the pictures, they will look really good. I think so. So yeah, I'm kind of happy with this purchase. We put Barb here again. And here I have some tiny plastic croissants and other stuff. So what we have here? Here we have a croissant. Okay, some palmerita, pretzel. Yeah, they are very plastic, but I guess they will look fine on the pictures. So again, we have here 10 of them. We go, and here, this is something I'm a little bit disappointed, because we have here cups of coffee, and they are very big. No, I expected them. Okay, so each cup has like different latte drawing, and they are cute. I hope you can see it. Okay, I have problems with Zoom, but they are cute, but they are very big. So they don't look like normal cups of coffee, but more like this jumbo mugs I use for tea. But yeah, they will be just jumbo mugs of coffee. So that's it I got from Shein, and let's move to what I bought in Woolworth. There are some changes here on the channel. First, after more than 5 years of posting crochet tutorials for dolls, I finally monetized this channel. So yes, you will see a little bit more ads, and if you have time, please do not skip them so often. So I'm going full-time, and I'm really grateful for this new kind of income. And also will start a membership. I will tell you more next week or even this weekend. So basically every month I will prepare for you 2 different outfits. Each one will have 4 different pieces, and one of those outfits will be for everyone, and the second one will be for members. What's important, so I can clarify it right now, all the old tutorials there are already on my channel will be never only for members, so don't worry, they will be available for everyone forever. The price of a monthly membership will be less than a coffee, so I will tell you all the details on the weekend, and I'm super excited because this is a new adventure for me. So I got some stuff when I went to Woolworth last week. All the prices you can see are in Polish zloty, so they were super cheap. And here, for example, we have 2 wooden bowls, and honestly, they are very well done. And it's wood. It's not plastic, it's not acrylic, it's wood, and they have good shape and good size for dolls. Here again, this is it's not plastic, it's metal one. It's quite heavy. To water plants. Again, I didn't check the name of it, but you can let me know in the comments how you call it. Cutlery. Cutlery, I paid 6 zloty, so it was about like less than 150 euros for all this cutlery. They're the real cutlery for dolls, so they don't have any like smaller ring here to put on the necklace, and honestly they are really nice. It's plastic, but yeah, they are well made. And also I got for 50 cents, so for 2 zloty, these 2 bottles of milk. They are not perfect, and I have to sand a little bit the bottoms, but I think they will look nice. Also, I got some new yarn. It's velvet chenille yarn, some DK cotton, also this fluffy one. You will see that for now I will use a little bit more like DK yarn or light for dolls, because I still didn't find a nice lace yarn here. But don't worry, I will. So it's a little bit more brown for now. I know spring is coming here, but I have some ideas for a little bit more brown and gray stuff. And obviously, you can use any color you want for recreating my tutorials. I got finally also a bowl from Mini Brands, and I opened it already. So here is the bag that I had inside and some small stuff. If this is nail polish, obviously it's too big. But as any other cosmetics, it will be okay. Here we have a brush and this little bottle of perfume. I will definitely use them. And I can't find more this kind of bowls, but maybe there are somewhere there. Let me know if you can find them in the shops. And also I got one box of this from Pepco. And I have no idea what's inside, okay? I know that there are some like cleaning stuff or bottles of some chemistry. And they say that this basket, you can change it to this book, like shelf. Okay, here we go. And what do we have here? Oh, it's not chemistry. It's an oatmeal milk, okay? Yeah, it's quite nice. And also, okay, they say toothpaste, but obviously as toothpaste for dolls, it's much bigger. But we still can put it in the bathroom. Okay, and here are all the pieces to build the shelf. I will build it off the camera and I will show you. Okay, so basically I had to remove like these parts of the basket, and we made base from it. And okay, I don't like it as a furniture, but if you have a pantry or something like this, I think it will look nice. But every time you get a box of it, you will have only 2 miniatures and a new shelf. So we'll see if I get them more. Let me know if you have them and how do you use them. So let me know, what do you have from this stuff, or what would you like to get? And also if you like this kind of different content for dolls. That's it for today. If you want to make some of these pieces for your dolls, I will leave you the links down below to my free crochet tutorials, and see you next time.